Hello, hello, hello. My name is Azat Mardan. I am the author of React Quickly. This is chapter number 19, project called Password with Jest. I mentioned this project briefly in the chapter in which we are working with the unit testing. That chapter was before in the part number 2, chapter 16. In this chapter, I'm explaining completely, I'm walking through you line by line how I implemented that password widget. Remember the password, you type something, it tells you, oh, it's not strong enough. You need to have certain criteria. And then there is a generate button, which will generate you a random password, which meets all that criteria. You can use this password widget as is in your projects. You can modify it, of course, the styling, the criteria, you can modify all that. And I have a couple of components and I have a few testing there as well. So I'm explaining you what I did, how I did it using Jest. And the Jest comes with expect, it has the JS DOM, so all those good things. And I'm using the React testing utility to simulate those clicks, those typings. So it's very, very good to use these technologies compared to writing Selenium WebDriver script, or compared to using Puppeteer or God forbids Phantom.js, which was almost always broken. So this is a nicer, really nicer way to test. So definitely go and check it out, because testing is important, passwords are important, and I know you will be getting some new information from there. So go and use it, and I'll see you in the last video, the last project for this book.